Hi, this is Sada with you, and today I will be your guide on Gazek Theme. Gazek is a modern and stylish Services Review WordPress theme that can be used for any services or products. It has all of the features you would expect from a premium solution. So without further ado, let's have a deeper look at this theme. So I present Gazek Theme, which is dedicated to creating websites with reviews about the company. It is created by Elite Author, and as far as Elite Author is a reliable partner, it guarantees regular updates and long-lasting existence of this theme in the market. Gazek comes with 3 demos of ready-made home pages, plus it comes with premium plugin support including WP Bakery Page Builder for editing or creating home pages, Usify membership plugin for creating user profile or community, paid membership pro plugin for creating paid subscriptions or member restrictions, and GamiPress for promotions and rewards for users in the form of points or badges. That way you can motivate your users to leave comments on your website and rely on your website. Here is the main page or home page. Then there is also categories page, which is added by the website admin. And the page which lists all the reviews in the given category, in the chosen category, and of course the review page itself. Anyone can register and leave a comment on this page describing the pros and cons. In order to answer the comments, or for answering the comments, there is a subscription needed. You can turn off this option, but it is more convenient for business. If the owner of the website wants to answer to the given review, then he or she needs to ask for or needs to subscribe. Let's have a look at the account page. After registration into this system, you will have a page of your own account where you can see and have access all of your reviews, as well as if you have added reviews, you can see where have you added it, the places, and you can add new places. You will need to fill in the form like this. After sending the form, the admin will check the request and add your place or your review to the main listing page. There is also a page for groups. You can enter the groups page and actually participate in the life of the group and write some comments on it. You can as well create your own groups. Plus, there is also a list of all the users. Pay attention that some of the users have pages or prices. This is created with the help of GamiPress plugin that we mentioned before, in order to motivate our users to take part in their life of website and and in back they will get points or levels or some badges. Badges can be both also with credits or they are received whenever you or whenever the user reaches any particular level. Also there is a help center where you can set or create your page with frequently asked questions, and as well as a page blog in order to publish there all the latest news. And of course there are many other additional pages that can come in handy in the future. So that was much about Gazek Theme. As you can see, it has very clear and straightforward design which ensures the quick setups and friendly user interactions. So hurry up and go and get Gazek Theme. I hope you liked the video and it was useful for you. That was much for today. Bye!